So it's the end of the day here, and we have an order for 3/4 QP, and we're out. So we're going to take some of this stone dust here and some of this 3/4. Going to blend that up. So we're going to take some of this 3/4, some of the stone dust. So our QP pile, I've got a 10-ton load, so I'm pretty close. I probably got about 6 or 7 tons in there, but I'd like to make sure I have plenty. So I'm going to mix a little bit up with the loader. Alrighty, here we are in the loader, and get this baby fired up, and we'll make ourselves up a little bit of QP. And just shake this bucket out a little bit and get a little sun glare on us, I guess, here. Try to come over here and keep that from happening. Just in case we have a little dirt in the bucket, we're going to make sure we clean this out real good. Alrighty. Pretty much go scoop for scoop over here, so we're going to take a scoop of dust and a scoop of 3/4. Sorry about the bounciness, guys. Bucket's pretty heavy, pretty big. Carries about 5 tons per bucket scoop. We're going to dump that right on the QP or the dust. And then we'll get that blend up. Well, it turns out he needs that load a little quicker than we thought, so let's up and get him loaded up. as I said, I didn't expect him to be back so quickly. So we are now utilizing, I had to mix it up pretty quick here. These videos. All right, so we got tons of sun. So here's the QP we're taking. So I'm hoping that that looked pretty good, but like I said, we got a lot of sun going on. All right, so I'm sure there's a ton of sun glare in there, and I apologize. So we're going to try to get you guys set up so you can kind of see what we're doing here on the mix. So let's see if we can make that happen. right, so that should be about enough QP for another 10 tons. Like I said, the bucket holds about 5 tons on each scoop. So we put 5 tons of the dust in, 5 tons of the 3/4. Blend it up, should have 10 tons of a 3/4 blend. Like I said, you usually buy the QP from the quarries, but it's getting later in the day, and in order to take care of our customers, we like to blend it up. It's the same product, it just goes through a little bit different process. We're just bringing 2 parts together and creating a quarry process. So that's what we have there. And you can see the Komatsu WA320 makes quick work of making 10 tons of QP very quickly. So hope you enjoyed that. We should have a truck coming in soon. Hopefully the sun will be kind of not so much in our eyes. But we'll have to wait till that happens. So thanks for watching.